Hey guys, this is a video on how to make your own Wi-Fi connection. Okay, this only works on certain computers and stuff. So what you're gonna do, go into, hold on, Wi-Fi. You don't have to have an Ethernet cable. Okay, click on it. Wait for that to pop up. Okay. What you do, you go to wireless networks. You click add, or not click, create an add HOC network. The name I'm going to use, actually I'm going to use Apple. Okay, and click next. Now, you don't have to use security, but I'm going to. The best channels are, I think, 1, 6, and 11. The network key, mine's just going to be 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hold on. Hello? Hello? I'm making a YouTube video. Can you come back? I'm making a YouTube video. Can you call me back? Okay. I messed up. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you click next. If you don't have to hide the network key, click connect. Okay. Apple. You click that. Okay. You just say. Hey, you just say. Now hold on. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, and you go to connect to Apple or whatever you named it. Just wait for it sometimes. You have to wait a little. Okay, so I'm a banana. Okay, so that's simply all you have to do, really. Hold on. Let me check. Okay. You can see it's green, so it's connected. So clearly it works. The reason why I switched it, because I already had one made. You can't use two at the same time, so I just switched to iDevice. That's what I needed. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Any more questions, comments, don't be afraid to ask. Please, no rude comments. I will put, actually, no, never mind. Well, watch more of my YouTube videos. Bye-bye.